Hi everybody, welcome back to another reading, and I've got a different kind of a setting today. I really wanted to give these urgent messages, and I have my new deck here. It's called the Keepers of the Light, and I'm using it for the first time, and I really wanted to give a few messages for people who really want to need guidance or need to be guided, or probably these messages are going to resonate in a way because I really wanted to use this deck, and I just got it today. And let's see what are the messages here. So these are cards where all the angels are there, ascended masters, all the gods. So twin flames. So let's see what are the three messages that you really need to hear right now. And I'm shuffling them. And let's see, I'm clearing the energies. What is the first message? Let's see what's the first message of the day. The Holy Spirit. So expect miracles. This is a beautiful card. So I was doing, I was just going through the cards, all of them, and I was trying to read what it is. And this card came out while I was doing a reading for me. I think a lot of us, I'm going to say a lot of you are going to expect miracles. And it is just believe in yourself and something is going to occur naturally. Give way for things to occur, or unfold. Don't work too hard for it. Don't really push things. Don't keep asking for something to happen. I think you just need to sit back, and the spirit is saying, what I get the message, the spirit is saying, I've got your back, and don't worry, it is a time to sit back and you will get the answers, and you will get all the miracles in life, and you're going to expect miracles. The second card that I get is White Eagle. It's the ancestor spirit. So the message that I'm getting from the spirit is that connect to your ancestors. Connect to the people who passed away. They will give you messages. They will bring you important messages in your dreams. Open your mind and your heart, and try to receive the energies and try to see what they are saying. Let's see what is the other message. The divine director. I feel somebody, there is God, and the God is directing your life, is also pushing you through, towards the right direction. And I feel that you will get to know another 6 days, 7 days, you will be pushed in the right path. If you've been confused or you've been undecided between two things, I think that you will know where to go, and God is there to give you that push is what I get. And I feel that happiness is your purpose. That's what you look for in life. I don't think you're a person who is looking for too much monetary gain, but there is some kind of happiness you're looking at, either in love or probably a designation or something that brings you happiness. So it's not necessarily monetarily. That's what I get. So the keepers of the light and the spirit guides, are asking you that God is there, and God is actually directing your life, and there is going to be divine intervention in your life. Very beautiful cards. These cards are so beautiful. I'm going to unbox it again and show them to you. They are really pretty cards, and they really have beautiful messages for all of you. So this is faith. It says humanity and benevolence. I also feel faith is being I get the word faithful. That's the spirits are saying be faithful. I don't know why I'm saying this, but be faithful in a relationship. It is also about having faith in the divine, having faith in your family. Also get having faith in your family. I don't know why I want to say this, but some of you are losing faith. You're not really trusting your loved ones. So that's what I see. It also says see the light in the world. So probably you viewing things, you're not viewing things very clearly. So the spirit guides are saying that do view things in a better light, put your perspective right, and things are going to be okay for you. I get another 7-8 days, things are going to be okay. I also, like I did an October reading, I feel October is going to be a good time for you, so don't have to worry. I got two cards here, so I'm going to use both the cards in my reading right now, and I'm going to keep my new deck away, and I'm going to keep using this in my new reading. I think it's a very powerful deck with a lot of messages, and it says psychic insight. So a lot of you are developing the psychic insight. I want you to listen to your intuition. It says your third eye is opening. It's also for some of you, the eye chakra is opening. I also get a lot of eye pain. Okay, so don't strain your eyes. Okay, I also get straining your eyes. That's a spirit message, and it says don't strain your eyes too much. And it also says that you're also going to you're seeking some kind of a truth in some situation, and truth is also clarity. Okay, and it says follow your intuition. So if you've been getting attracted to something and you don't know why it's happening, it is your intuition taking you towards that path or towards that person. And just remember that. And I feel a lot of you will be developing your psychic abilities, or if you were listening to this reading, you were thinking of developing your psychic abilities, and you are gifted. That's what I feel. The next card is Paul, the Venetian. So it's experiencing grace. I also feel whatever situation you are in, deal with the situation with grace. Okay, even if you have to leave someone, even if somebody did something to you, even if you have to exit from a situation, I want to give the message the spirit guides are saying that don't make it ugly. Okay, and it also says shine your gifts with grace. So a lot of times when we are gifted, we develop an attitude, or the ego comes in between, or you start feeling very powerful and you think that you have too much power. But remember, all these are gifts, and please use them for doing good for others, and use them properly. Probably that's the message that I want to give with this one, and inspire people. Okay, and get inspired from inspirations that are coming from you, from whatever books you're reading, or if you're following someone. So do things with grace is what I'm saying, and don't let powers get into your head. That's another message that I'm getting from the spirit guides, that right now it's not the time where power should get into your head. Maybe that has already gotten into your head. So just relax in the situation and just withdraw a little is also what I want to say. So these were probably urgent messages I had to give, and this is because I have the new deck, and it's really really nice. And so those are the messages for you guys. Let's see what else can I say. I also feel 7 is an important number. Okay, or in 7 days, whenever you are listening to my message or to this reading, just 7 days from now, there's a tiny wish that's going to be fulfilled. Okay, I'm not going to say if you really wanted like loads of money or something really great, something really big. I don't see that, but I think in 7 days a wish is coming true. Something that is important for you. Maybe it's not as important to the other person, but something is really important to you, and I think that's going to come true in 7 days. So you can add 7 days to from the time you're listening to this reading. I also get that I don't know why I just got water sign here. I don't know what it has to do. Probably it's for a water sign, but that's what I got. And I also feel this is a card of plans, hopes, dreams, wishes getting fulfilled. You thought everything, you've lost everything, you've lost the battle, but I really get the message from the spirit guides that keep going. I get the word keep going. Okay, that's what I get for you guys. This card almost jumps, so 7 is important for you. So I feel multiples of 7. So remember I said 7 is a very difficult angel number to see, but it's a beautiful number. It's the best number you can ever see. It's all about miracles. It is so right, because here we were talking about miracles, when we said expect miracles, and here it is. I've already got 2 7s out on from the pile. And I feel, like I said, you've been frustrated about two things. Sorry, this fell out and I'm not going to take it right now. So you've also been frustrated about some kind of a situation. I think it's going to get sorted very soon. That's what I feel. I also feel you getting on top of this situation. You will be in control of the situation. It's beautiful. I think I wish there's one more 7 that comes out, but yes, I don't know. This is A. So if your name begins with A, I want to say if your name begins with A, or if you were born in the month of August, or if it's April, or the month that begins with A. I think it's just August or April. So good things are going to happen for you. New beginnings are going to happen. Okay, and you're going to get the communication about the new beginning very soon. I feel a letter form or an email form. I'm going to say an email form, because right now we don't send letters to each other. But yes, I feel email exchange is going to happen. Okay, somebody's going to give you a new beginning. Okay, or these are new beginnings. I also feel in relationships, if your name begins with A, if your name begins with F, if your name begins with S, I get R. So they are new beginnings. For some of you, you might be offered something, but you will not be so happy. Like I said, probably it's a tiny victory, so that's why it's come reversed. But I think it will mean a lot to you. Maybe not to the other person, but there is something, Probably you thought, you're going to get a big thing, or something you were thinking. So probably it's not as big a surprise, or not probably a big outcome that you thought. But I still feel it is a victory. For me, it's a victory card. Okay. So don't worry whatever you're getting, but I feel you will be happy. So I know that we all want a lot, we all dream a lot, we really want to get everything in the world, or so I feel you're going to be happy with this. Okay, and I think your victory is going to come in parts. That's also what I feel. So probably if you really were looking for a big project, I feel a little bit of that project is going to come, and then probably later on when time has passed, so you're going to get the whole project. That's what I feel. So if you're a 4 number, if you are in business, if you're doing business, I want you to wait 4 more months. 4 more months, and your business will pick up. I also get especially R. I get K here. I get J here also. I don't know what these are the letters, alphabets I get. So probably your business begins with that. Probably your name begins with that. I want you to wait for more months if you, especially if you're in a business, and things will come to you. Something is going to happen very suddenly. There's a tower moment, okay? And I feel good because the miracle card is here. I feel something good is going to just, something will end and something good is going to begin. You know, sometimes endings are also a way for good beginnings to happen or new things to come in your life. Oh, yes, we've got it. We've got 7, guys. I told you there's something about 777, and I've been seeing 777. It's all about miracles. I hope there are miracles for me too, but I hope there are miracles for you. I told you this is about 777. Yes, I got the 3 numbers. I think that's the reading. So guys, this is brilliant. This is miracles, miracles throughout. Maybe that's why the deck I was waiting had to come yesterday but didn't come. Like I always say, there is a time for everything. There is a time for everything, and I think that's why I didn't get the deck yesterday. And guys, I'm recording this on 25th October, so 25 is a 7 in itself. So guys, it's all 7777. I had uploaded an angel reading in my videos only. I think some time ago, 2-3 weeks ago. You can listen to that 777 what it means. But this is beautiful and this is brilliant, and I'm so happy. Yes, now it feels really blessed, and getting this card and all these cards today, and especially on 7. So maybe that's why I didn't get the cards yesterday. So these are all divine spirit guide messages for you. Don't let your pride get into your way. Remember when I said something, some ego, you know, something. When you get the power, I don't want you to use it. You know, I don't want you to use it in a wrong way. I want you to use your power I want you to use your power correctly, not incorrectly. Okay. I also don't want pride to come in your way. Whoever you're dealing with, people, any situation, please don't let pride come in your way. It destroys things. Sometimes we don't really understand, or we don't really know that pride is actually coming in, and you know, other people then withdraw and they don't really want to deal with you. Some kind of an adjustments are required, and you know you're going to be stubborn about something. I don't know why. I think you have to be flexible. That's the message that I'm getting from spirit guides. Spirit guides are saying, guys, you got to be flexible, otherwise miracles are not going to happen. That's what I get. Miracles are not going to happen if you are not flexible. That's what I get. So there is some adjustment in the plan or in the relationship. There is something. One of you needs to adjust. One of you needs to understand the other one. So there is something required. Don't let your past hold you back. I get this reverse. So I feel a lot of you are going back towards your past. So if you want miracles to happen, if you want to not feel frustrated anymore, be very clear about the situation. I think this needs to go. You need to let go of your past. You've been hanging on to it. I think you've been hanging on to your past for some 15 months. I get 1 year, I get 15 months, I get 2 years. I also feel for some of you that, I don't know, you did start a relationship. It was a new relationship, but it didn't go very well. I don't know why. Confidence is your key. So this message is for more of a Leo, more for a Leo, that do not get, you know, I'm just going to think. I think it's confidence is key. This is especially for a Leo, and also don't let pride come in. Okay. Guys, confidence and pride are very 2 different things, okay? Confidence is totally different. It's good to work with confidence, but it's not right to go ahead when you have too much of an ego. And like I said, I get a very Leo energy, okay? One more card. Nothing is set in stone. Truly, that's why the adjustments came, you know. You being stubborn about something, there's nothing, even the outcome that is going to, you know, whatever the outcome is, it's not really decided for you right now. It will take time. Probably there is something about 777, or probably you are a number 7, or the situation you're dealing with, there is a number 7 in it, but I really get strongly the only number that I get is 777 right now. Your conclusions are not within reach. Unless you make adjustments, something is not going to be complete. That's what I get. I think you need to make some kind of adjustments in life. Probably you're not balanced, okay? It says balance, spirituality and practicality. It's coming reversed. It's coming towards me. So I'm going to say you need balance. Probably you're not right now thinking very balanced. Probably you're thinking too much from one side. You know, you're not giving it an overall perspective, or you know, a bird's eye view, or you know, moving away and then looking at a situation. So this is the last card. Let's see what the last card says, guys. I got two. I get a lot of green energy. Green is money. I want to say money. There's healing. There is money coming. I get your dreams need a practical plan. Like I said, you are planning for something, but it needs practical plans. Also, if you plan practically, you will get what you want. Okay, this is for Pisces. This is also a message for Pisces. I'm getting a lot of Pisces because there was a Piscean card there, and this is also Pisces. I also get a balance between a yin and a yang. I think you need to balance two sides. Okay, I don't know what, but you need to balance two things which are poles apart, which are very different. They're like chalk and cheese. That's what I get. You need to mediate also and contemplate. So I feel. Sorry, I'm saying mediate. I don't know why I said mediate. Maybe that's another thing that you need to mediate also somewhere. Probably in a situation, in a job situation. I want to say you need to meditate and contemplate. So meditate, contemplate. You will get the clarity. You will not be confused. There will be no frustrations, and good things are going to happen for you. And you already saw the cards. It's lovely. So whatever situation you deal with, please deal it with grace. Okay, that's what the spirit guides are saying again to me. That's what I get. I'm going to take out, I don't know why, but I have to take out one card from here. I mean, it's almost like calling me, and I did this, and this came out. So 11 number card came out. That's important. So Archangel Gabriel really wants you to talk. Okay, you need to talk it out with someone. I don't know why, but I feel you closing the communication with someone, which you shouldn't be doing. So because that flew in my, from my hand, that almost jumped out, and it really wanted to come out in the reading. So I'm going to take out one more card. One more card needs to come out. Take care of yourself. Okay. If you were wanting a baby, I think the baby will come later. It's not this. It's you're not going to get the news, and I get 2 months. Okay. Especially if your name begins with C, especially if your name begins with I, especially if your name begins with, I get a M, I get a N, and I get a O. I get all these letters. Okay, I also get a B for baby. So got to wait for conception to happen. Maybe that's a message I wanted to give you guys. I also want you to give the message that from the spirit guides, that don't get disheartened. You will hear the baby news soon. You will hear there is some kind of communication also coming your way. And guys, I also want you to express yourself. Okay, I also want you to say the truth. Those are the messages that are coming to me. So that was the reading for today, and I hope you enjoyed my new cards and the reading. And I will take you through the cards. I will kind of unbox it and show you how beautiful the cards are. Maybe later another reading. But these were the messages for you guys, and take what sits with you, and like I said, leave what doesn't resonate. So I'll be back with another reading. Thank you so much, guys. For listening to me. Do hit the like button, do subscribe to my channel, and press the bell notification button so you know whenever I upload a video, you can listen to that. So thank you so much, guys, and good night and bye.